In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to add Spotify to iPhone Control Center. So let's get started. Now to do this, you need a pre-installed app on your iPhone called Shortcuts. So just go ahead and open that up. Then click on the plus logo on the top right. And then search for the action of open app, okay? Click on that. And then from here, you're gonna click on this app and search up Spotify. Now, obviously, Spotify should be installed on your device. Then you can just go ahead and rename the whole thing as Spotify. Perfect. Now, what you can do is you can just close everything, go to your control center, click on plus, and then you're gonna click on add a control, click and then search for shortcuts. And then from here, you're gonna choose a shortcut and we're gonna click on Spotify and just do that. There you go. Now, as you can see, Spotify has appeared in my control center. And now if I go up, as you can see, if I scroll down, Spotify appears right there. And if I click on it, my Spotify app just opens up. Now, one thing is, let's say you want Spotify to appear here right there, as you can see where it says note playing. What you can do is you just have to simply play a song on Spotify, and then you can simply control everything from here as well. But you can also add Spotify like this, so you can just click on one button to open the app. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.